Making secure transactions is crucial, and with Beam Wallet, verifying your card is the key to unlocking seamless payments and cash outs. The best way to verify your card on the Beam platform is to follow the simple, secure in-app process. This is essential for both your safety and for complying with financial regulations. The first step, assuming you've completed your initial account setup and identity verification, is to navigate to the Account or Wallet section of your Beam app. Look for the option to link a card or payment methods. You'll need a valid Visa or MasterCard debit card. The platform typically does not accept prepaid or credit cards for linking and cash outs, so make sure you're using the right card type. Once you enter your card details, the verification process usually involves a microtransaction. Beam will charge a very small, temporary amount to your card, often less than $1, and this charge will be refunded. This small debit confirms that the card is active and belongs to you. It's important to have enough funds in your account to cover this minimal verification charge. While it's generally a quick process, sometimes it can take a few minutes for the charge to appear on your bank statement. If you're having trouble, check your bank's transaction history for the exact amount. Following these steps is the most reliable and direct path to card verification, ensuring your Beam wallet is ready for instant transactions. If you ever run into a snag, remember that the in-app support or the official Beam support channels are your best resource for troubleshooting. Get your card verified today and enjoy the speed and security of Beam Wallet.